Assalamu alaikum everyone, and I know it's been a while since I uploaded any video on this channel. In fact, I was not about to upload it today or make video today, but something happened which made me think let's make a video. And this video is about Fajr prayer, especially. And if you're also struggling with your Fajr or missing your Fajr, then this video might be for you. So what happened is I was missing my Fajr prayer for almost 1 month because of work, because of s- sleep routine. I was not sleeping on time. I mean, there are so many things. I would blame myself, of course. But since yesterday, somehow I woke up yesterday and prayed yesterday in the morning. I mean, then yesterday night, I slept so late. And I thought I might not be able to wake up for today. And something happened. Something happened. You can say weird, like something fell down, and then I just woke up for Fajr and I went to mosque and I prayed. And after that, I opened my laptop and to start my work. But before starting my work, one hadith came in my mind. That hadith goes something like this. I might be paraphrasing. It is about those two rakat of Sunnah of Fajr prayer. It goes like this, that the two rakat of Fajr's Sunnah prayer or two rakat of Sunnah of Fajr prayer are more valuable, or I mean better than whatever contains in this world, or something like this. I might be paraphrasing, and I assume that you might know the hadith. So I just researched about it, and like, look, one thing is like we read this hadith or any kind of hadith, and we just forget it. We don't think about it, like how deep it is. Then that's why I started to research little bit about it, like what does it mean? So the meaning is, so here's the meaning. It's like the meaning of this world and all it contains. Okay. So when the Prophet ﷺ said or says this world, he is referring to everything human beings strive for, stress over, or value, like vast fortune, gold, and money, luxury homes, cars, and material possession, high status, careers, fame, and political powers. Okay. And simply whatever good contains in this world, it is far better than those things. And why are these two quick units so heavy? Let's talk about that. So, scholars of Hadith explain that this prayer holds such an immense reward for several distinct reasons. So, reason one is the ultimate test of sincerity, ikhlas. Like when you pray the Sunnah of Fajr, it is dark, cold, and the world is asleep. No one is watching you. There is no social praise or worldly gain. You are sacrificing your comfort solely for your Creator. And the reason two or second reason is defeating the ego and Satan. The hardest time for the human body to move is during deep sleep, as we all know. Forcing your body out of a warm bed requires genuine willpower. It's not easy. Overcoming this laziness builds spiritual discipline that protects you for the rest of the day. And the third reason is eternal versus temporary. Everything in this world will turn to dust one day. Your house, your money, your belongings will be left behind. However, the reward of those two rakas is permanent and it is waiting for you in the hereafter, preserved forever. And of course, if the Sunnah prayer is that much heavy, so just imagine the first of Fajr prayer. Like classical scholars bring up a brilliant logical point when explaining this hadith. In Islamic law, an obligatory prayer is always vastly superior and more beloved to Allah than a voluntary prayer or Sunnah prayer. Therefore, scholars like Imam al-Nawawi point out, if the Sunnah, which is voluntary, is better than the entire universe, then the two rakahs of the Fajr or Fajr prayer are unimaginably greater.